Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Joseph, and today I'm going to show you how to start your own YouTube channel step by step, even if you're a total beginner. So grab a pen and let's dive in. Step 1. Decide your niche before you even create your channel. You need to decide what kind of videos you want to make. Do you love gaming, cooking, tech reviews, vlogging about your life? Pick something you're passionate about, because creating videos takes time and consistency. Tip: don't try to make videos about everything. Focus on one main topic so people know what to expect when they subscribe. Step: to create a Google account. To create a YouTube channel, you need a Google account. If you already have Gmail, you're good to go. If not, head to accounts.google.com and sign up for free. Once you're logged in, go to YouTube and click your profile picture. Then create a channel. Boom! You've officially started your YouTube journey. Step 3. Pick a channel name. You'll need to choose your channel name. It could be your own name if you want to build a personal brand, or you can choose a creative name related to your niche. Example: if you're starting a cooking channel, you might pick something like Tasty Bites with Sarah. Make it easy to remember and easy to spell. Step 4. Design your channel. Time to make your channel look professional. Upload a profile photo, ideally a nice headshot or your logo. Add a banner image that fits your niche. The size should be 2560 by 1440 pixels. Write a short but clear channel description. Tell viewers who you are and what kind of videos you'll make. This helps people decide if they want to subscribe. Step 5. Prepare your equipment. There's some good news. You don't need fancy cameras to start YouTube. You can use your smartphone. Just make sure your video is stable and well lit. For audio, try using a simple microphone or even your phone's mic if it sounds clear. Good lighting is important. Film near a window or use an affordable ring light. Remember, people care more about what you're saying than how cinematic your shots look. Step 6. Plan your videos and just hit record without a plan. Write down your video ideas. Create a simple script or bullet points so you don't forget what to say. Think about your titles and thumbnails ahead of time. These are what help people click on your video. Step 7. Film your first video when you're ready. Find a quiet space. Speak clearly and confidently. Don't stress if it's not perfect. You'll get better with practice. A good idea for your first video is an intro video. Tell people who you are, what your channel is about, and why they should subscribe. Step 8. Edit your video. Editing makes your video look professional. Use free apps like CapCut, iMovie, or DaVinci Resolve. Trim out mistakes or awkward pauses. Add music, text, or images to keep things interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.